Alright people, this is the 2011 Honda CRZ. Bought it out of Copart auto auction. Of course it's salvaged, but the only damage on it looks like, I don't know if they messed it up picking it up with the forklift. I know they be doing that at Copart, or whoever owned it ran over something. But the main damage is back here, the quarter panel. So it looks like it was swiped down to the back of the bumper here. I'm about to lift it up and assess, see if there's any axle damage, but I mean overall, it doesn't seem like a hard fix. So I had another CRZ. It was my little girl's calling me. It was a 2015 CRZ I had, supercharged, already all fixed up, modded by the previous owner, and I mean it was cool, but I didn't feel any attachment to it. I didn't fix it up, so, and it was manual, and you know I live in Dallas. It sucks driving manual in Dallas, especially with all the asshole drivers. But so I decided to sell it, made a good profit, and bought me this, which I didn't spend much on this. Now I'm just gonna fix it up, get it roadworthy. I bought a black interior already, so I'm gonna black out the interior. It's a 2014 interior, and then well, I'm gonna drive it until the engine or the battery gives out, and then plan is to case swap it, because this one with the supercharger still isn't as fast as I would like. So that's why I wanted to do a case swap, but not on that other one I had. It had 60,000 miles, so I knew I could just make money out of it instead of taking it all apart and doing a case swap. I might as well do it to a car that is already pretty beat up. So we'll see how this goes. The rebuild of the 2011 CRZ. Also have these here and the Impala, but we're gonna do this one for a bit.